Hi guys, it's me, Ramesh. So I'm gonna leave Mindanao, Davao, and this is my family, and I'm leaving them. I feel bad, but I have to go. I will miss you so much.
Oh.
I will miss Nurjan so, and I will miss this one also. Who are you?
Only real soap. I miss you. Only real soap I miss.
Oh really?
Ganda.
Really? She only miss Yusuf. Inshallah, coming soon
Coming.
to Nurselin wedding.
Yeah.
Ibrahim, I love you.
Love you.
Honey?
Yung backpack.
Me.
Me, yung backpack.
I that give to Ahmed Ali. I give the letter to him.
Akan mo na ito itabi.
Later he can take. Not now. Come.
Bisita mo. Ha? Ah, sa backpack? Di na pag sa backpack yan? Yung backpack, no?
No. I give to I will buy with this one.
Ah, okay. So you go. Yun na, galabi kasi yan sila. Sige, go na.
Bye. I love you. I don't wanna miss sorry. You know?
Kata naka-record.
Yes, okay, recording. Honey, I hug you.
Yeah.
Oh, no, you can't mental.
You chat ah.
Inshallah, inshallah.
Tulungan mo ako maroon, nag-chat ka.
Don't worry.
Oh.
I miss her.
Yeah.
Inshallah. You miss me?
No. Cry yan, cry.
No, I know she love me.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I cry.
You know?
You gonna.
Misunderstanding
You're
happen.
gonna
Huh?
You're gonna cry.
Me? No. Okay, now let's go.
Let's go. You gonna.
Go.
Si kami din. Ay, ako man. Abi din mo nanan. Pinamalitan niya.
It's okay, make video, okay? Bye, Ummi.
Bye-bye. See you soon.
See you soon. Ahmed, take picture. Finally, I'm leaving. Let's go. Bye, Ummi. Bye, Salma, Ummi. Bye, Nurjana. Bye, Ibrahim. I love you, Ibrahim.
Bye. Come back.
Inshallah, I come back soon. इंशाल्लाह अल्लाह हाफिज़ कहने का दिल नहीं कर रहा है लेकिन कहना पड़ रहा है जा रहे हैं अभी हम सब मजबूरी है वापस जाना है मेरी बीवी है वापस आना पड़ेगा इमोशनल मोमेंट है I don't have to say I don't want to say Allah Hafiz I don't want to say them bye but you know I have to say I have no other option than to say them bye I will miss them all for sure. But don't worry, I will come back. I have to come back for my beloved wife. Inshallah, very soon I'm coming to her. It's a hard moment. It's very hard to say bye, especially to Davao. The dogs are also giving me, you know, bye moment. I will miss you too. I will miss you. I will miss that one also. I will miss them all. Akman, video making. Make. Okay, you walk. Yeah, we walk. Let's walk.
Paasa siya? Mabalik mo pa sa kaibigan. Pag-import. Same lang, same press kung unsa pa dong dito.
Oh, thank you. Akman, you sit front. Okay.
Pagkita na. Oh, same
This
price
one.
ra kung iwan.
Thank you very much. I put my bag also. Bag I put inside.
Sangayin mo sa front.
No, I don't know which mall you go and buy so expensive phone. There's very good phone. Even 5,000 phone is very big, very nice. So Hane और मैं अभी एयरपोर्ट जा रहे हैं अन्ना मुझे छोड़ने जा रहा है. So Hane is coming with me to the airport. She wanna say bye there. तो अभी बस अपनी वाइफ को अल्लाह हाफिज़ कहने लगा हूँ. So अल्लाह हाफिज़ अभी एयरपोर्ट पे हम पहुँचते हैं. अल्लाह हाफिज़ कहने का वक्त आ गया है. So now I'm gonna say bye to my wife. So I'm gonna say make video. Okay, I put both. So, okay. Go. Okay? Inshallah, nothing happen, okay? Take care. Allah Hafiz.